is September 3rd. I'm in Alberta and I'm hunting mule deer. I've always been a whitetail freak kind of guy, but I'm on a bit of a roll when it comes to bow hunting and mule deer. I think I'm 4 years now in a row, and it's quickly becoming my most favorite animal to hunt. And anybody that hunts mule deer and love it know that that spot and stalk, seeing them out in the open, getting on them and hunting them is, it's hard to beat. So I've already scouted here a couple times, and I've located a bachelor group of bucks that are always together and always in the same spot. And nothing has changed this year, thank great Howard.
Hit him with the hind.